Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is an old, relatively old AEG Electrolux Lavamat. Hard to see the Electrolux there, but it is there. 86850 washing machine. 7 kilo, nice machine, or it was. There's stuff about the firmware, made in 2008. So it's 13 years old, quite old. 2008 again. I think it had a problem with the spider. I can't remember, there was something wrong with it. Might have had smoke coming out of it. When I got it, the cable on the back had been cut. I resurrected it. I've just turned it on to spin and kind of jimmied the lock to throw some bricks in it. Quite uneventful really, but that'll be a separate video. I'm just going to go in through it now, strip it out before I bring it to the scrapyard to get the drum out of it, which isn't too damaged from destruction, and to just cut the cables out of it. Anything useful, but really it's got a sealed tub, so I'm going to smash into that. It's a lot like the Bendix. It's exactly the same carburan tub, very similar tub anyways, but the same manufacturer, welded shut, so there's not much you can do with it other than smash in there and get the old washing machine drum out. So I'll do that off camera and we'll just come back for an autopsy and see how bad the spider is and see if I'm right or not. Okay, I'm out of breath. It is liberated. And look at the dust, I think you saw it. There's a lot of dust in there that probably fell out of here when it was hammered. But I don't know how bad that is, really. So I'll take those off and see if I could pop that off. It's obviously got a lot of corrosion on it. It doesn't mean it's broken. So I can't remember really with this one what was going on. But nevertheless, it's a good fire pit now, if nothing else. Quite a big one. What observations did I have? The plastic on this is very high quality. I thought that was good. Then, just here, the bearings are very big. Now, they were worn a bit, I think. That one feels lumpy. They both feel lumpy-ish. Okay, yeah, there's a bit of grease on it there. That doesn't mean very much. Big bearings, big beefy bearings compared to some other machines. The other thing was that this machine is a high-end machine, so it's got that float switch down in the bottom. That thing there has a bit of polystyrene that's a float switch that cuts it off if it leaks. 2 pumps for this recirculation thing, but see this pump here pumps water up to the top over the door, which is a complete gimmick. Because look at the colour of that crap in there. That's gross. So as an autopsy, I don't really know the conclusion I came to. Remind me in the comments if you've seen the previous videos on this machine. I can't remember what the fault was, but you know, it was left out in the street with the cables cut. A good high quality machine. It obviously is no more. And another washing machine drum fire pit. So, questions or comments as usual, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.